strive to have like the coolest custom trophies. That's always been our thing. And we used to do metal cut ones and did some other things. Well, a few years ago, I hooked up with a local, brewery, and started doing these, growlers, and here we are. We custom print growlers every year, so we do 1 gallon for first place, and then second place is 64 ounce, and third place is 32 ounce, and they're all custom painted. Even the caps are custom printed. Even the caps are custom printed for that year of the show. So pretty cool, and Incriminator Audio sponsors those every year. So huge shout out to those guys. It's another one of those relationships that I call like, hey, you guys, we're in, man. We'll see you there, and they bring an amazing display too. So just more of more of those relationships have just continued to build over the years. When I talk about the best trophies ever,
that's the belt.
the belt, right? So different than what Bagger Nationals does. So Trent Van Arsdale, and I don't know if you know Trent or not.
I don't.
You guys do a lot of SEMA builds with Trent.
Sure.
He's an upholstery guy, one of the best upholstery guys on the planet. He's been a good personal friend of mine. He did my original truck back in the day, and we've been best of buddies ever since. Well, he does. He came up with the concept. Actually, I think 20 years ago. I think one year we didn't give away the belt, and he said, "Man, I'm going to build you a full custom belt." And if you look at that belt, it's all sheet metal cut, and it's all CNC machine gauge that's on the front of it, and it's all different custom upholstery all the way through. And then the backside, he's always got something crazy in it. And then the trophies in the back, that's from the 19th annual. That's actually the black ones. So TR Manufacturing, a company that we work with, their machine shop in Indianapolis, they make those for us. Or excuse me, they're not in Indianapolis, they're in Fort Wayne. They make those for us, and they're amazing. We anodize them, and they weigh, I don't know, 8 or 9 pounds a piece. They're cool, and they're LED lit. So at night you can plug them in. They're all LED lit. So just something that that showed to us to give back to the participants.